Well, what's up, guys? So let's solve this 868 binary gap. So this problem should be very simple. Given a positive integer and find and return the longest distance between any two adjacent one in the binary representation of n. If there's a no two adjacent one, return 0. So two one adjacent if there are only 0 separating length. Maybe hard to understand. But basically, let's say 22, right? You can write as binary. And then this is the largest distance, which is 2. And then this is the another distance, which is 1. And that's it. Right? So basically return the largest distance. Okay, so this problem is very simple that you just need to first convert it into the binary and working in a string. Right? So you just count how many 1 and what is the 1, and then you count what is the maximum difference. Okay. So let's say S is this, you just change it into binary. And if it's 1, you append it. So basically this is recorder position. Let me just write down some common recorder position. Okay, and if its length is less or equal to 1, that means there's no 1 here, return 0. Otherwise, that's you can create a distance and append their difference and then return the maximum. Yeah, so this is the very simple question that you just change it. You use the binary and finally go back into the sorry, original is n. Yeah, so just change it into the the binary. That's it. So see you guys in the next videos.